Surrey Fire Service's new Airlight truck features a 22-foot walk-in body mounted on a Freightliner M2 chassis. Inside the body is a Bauer 3-position fill station, jump seats, and access to the SCBA storage compartment. This design allows bottle filling to be performed in a temperature-controlled environment away from the elements. The rear compartment has storage for portable scene lights and contains a high-pressure air hose reel. Mounted on top is a 3,000-watt command light KL series light tower, which can be controlled with a Vista display inside the cab or via the outside remote. For more information on this truck or to locate a dealer, please visit svitrucks.com.